Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the financing activities slides from this for your presentation. So what I've got here is I would start out with just what we're trying to accomplish. We're trying to create a slide that looks like this for Erie's cash flow, at least in Excel, that we can take a screenshot of and then put it in our PowerPoint presentation. So what happens is you're going to have along here the years, and it should be labeled years, even though I think they missed it. I think maybe I missed it. I think it says years here. And along here is your cash, and we're going to do the operating activity slide here with the years listed at the top. Okay, I don't want to see all of these individual data points on the line. I think that clutters it up, so don't include those. Okay, so in order to do that, the first thing I have to do is I have to create a spreadsheet here that looks like this right here. And you see I put the years from year round zero was 2021 all the way out to 2029 for this particular point in time I'm doing this video. Then I have operating, investing, financing, and cash flow, ending balance columns that I need to fill in from information from the courier. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the operating activities slide or a calculation, because the investing, financing, and ending cash balance will be done a similar way. So what I have to do is I have to go into the courier for round zero, as I have right here, and in this round zero I would notice for Team Erie's that their net cash from operations in round zero was 64.34. So what I did was that 64.34 right there, as I take that and I put it right here for 2021. And then the other thing I do is I go to round one in the Capstone Courier, go to the financial summary section, and you can see that 8,001 was their net cash from operations in 2022, and I put that there. All right. With that information, then what I can do is I can highlight this area, which I want to be my chart, and go Insert, 2D line, and then I get something that is unrecognizable. It's not what I want. So I right click and I go to Select Data, and the first thing I do is I click on the Edit here, and for my axis labels I put 2021 and 2022. You see how it puts them right there? And it should have put 2021 and 2022 along the bottom of the axis as well. And then the other thing I do is I go to the Edit button here, and this series name is going to be the operating cash flow, and the values is going to be these two. Click on OK. Get rid of Series 2, I don't want that. Click on OK. There you go. Then I just have to make it look right, so I've got to go and change this so it says Erie's cash flow operating activities, and then underneath it put the year 2021 to 2028, and then I probably want to go here and add an axis title to the left here, such as dollars, sale is dollars right there, and then I've done my graph. And as your simulation progresses, you'll just continue to add to this column as you put in the values from the courier. And you can do the same with the investing and the financing, except when you do those line graphs, you'll hit the year, you'll hold the control key down, and then you'll use that column there to do the investing cash flow slide. So with this video, you're seeing how to do all of these particular cash flow statements. I hope that helps.